Okay, let us go through your homework together. When I see this expression, come Wei Kiat, tell me. What does this whole thing mean? What is the big picture? Where is the multiplication? Where is the multiplication? X and the bracket and? Yes, and 7x and the bracket. Hey, why I hear so much talking? Aaron, why am I hearing so much talking? I don't care if you've done already. I don't care. Okay, Elijah. Okay, so there is a multiplication in between your x and the bracket and the 7x and the bracket. So, going by your primary school board mass, multiplication comes before this addition. That's why we have to do this expansion. After that, add the result here with the result here. Okay? That is why when we are solving this question, x multiply the bracket. So x need to multiply 3x. X multiply 3x, I will have 3x squared. Then my x need to multiply -1 also. So I have a minus 3x. After that, I need to add the multiplication of this bracket with 7x. 7x times x, 7x squared. So I have to add them. 7x times 1, 7x. So I have to add a 7x. Then I put the like terms together. X squared and x squared, they are like terms. They are both counting number of x squared. So I add them together. 3x squared plus 7x squared. How many x squared we get? Huh? Wrong. 3x squared plus 7x squared, you tell me 10x squared. 3 apple plus 7 apple got how many apple? 10. Then why 3x squared plus 7x squared become 2 apple? Become 2x squared. How we get? 3x squared plus 7x squared. How many x squared are there? Yes. X times -1. Positive times negative. So it's x, not 3x, sorry. Very good. Wait, you standing still can talk. Yes, then you better go and stand there. Go. You go and stand there.
The wall?
Yeah, stand here, stay this seat. You stand here still talking to...
Bye.
Yes. Okay? Elijah, how many x terms are there? -x and plus 7x. So if I add them together, minus x plus 7x, all together how many x? Minus x plus 7x. Add together. Okay. So this is your answer. Not so difficult. Okay? Next question. Same. The idea is the same. There is a multiplication. There is a multiplication. So I have to do the multiplication. then I subtract whatever the result of here is. Okay? So for this first multiplication, okay, the difficult part is here. When this subtraction comes in, I have to multiply x with 4x, then I subtract them. So x times 4x is 4x squared. So I have to subtract a 4x squared. I also have to subtract x multiplied by 9. So x times 9 is 9x. But because I'm subtracting 9x, that's why you can see that the sign here should be negative here. Okay? So you can see it as the result of negative, positive, negative. If negative, negative, it will become positive. Okay? This negative will change the sign of this second term over here, which is what a lot of students always miss out. Always never change this sign of the second term. Okay? Okay, then after that, we add them together. 4x squared minus 4x squared, no more x squared. 36x minus 9x, 27x. Got it? Okay? Okay, then let us go on. Question 3. Some of you have done it already without me telling you to do. Very good. Okay? So when we are looking at this, we must be thinking 3x multiply this bracket. So 3x need to multiply the 6x, 3x need to multiply the negative 11y. 3x times 6x, 3 times 6, 18. X times x, x squared. 3x multiply negative 11y. So positive and negative here must be negative. 3 times 11, 33. X times y, still x times y. Cannot be simplified, so just xy. Can? Okay, this one we do together. It's quite simple. So minus 8x multiply the bracket. I need to multiply everything inside. Negative 8 times positive 5, negative 40. X times y, xy. Negative 8x times positive 9x squared. Negative, positive, result, negative. 8 times 9, 72. I have a x multiply a x squared. So if I go and look smaller, x multiply x squared. What is x squared? X squared is actually x times x.
So x cubed.
So it is x cubed. Okay? So x times x squared is x cubed. X times x squared is x cubed. Because end up we have all three of the x's. Okay? Can? This will be your next chapter. How we add, how we multiply and have all these indices. Okay. When I have three terms inside my bracket, that means my 2xy need to multiply all three terms. So my 2xy multiplies 7x squared. 2 times 7, 14. X times x squared, x cubed. Then I still have to multiply the y. Then my 2xy need to multiply y. Positive, positive, positive. 2. X. Then y times y. So can write as y squared. Then lastly, 2xy times negative 4. Positive times negative. Negative. 4 times 2, 8. x, y. Cannot simplify further because x cubed y is different from xy square is different from xy. So just leave this as the three terms. Huh? 14x y3. The x is multiply x squared. That's why got x to the power of 3. My y never multiply any more y. So my y is just y. Your 3 must be with the x. Because your 3 is actually describing there is x times x times x. So your 3 can only be for your x. It cannot be for your y. You can put y then x cubed. But the 3 must be with the x. Okay. Same. Minus 4xy must multiply all these three terms. Negative times positive, negative. 4. X times x, x squared. Times y times z. Okay? First term. Then second term, negative times negative become positive. 4 times 10, 40. X. Then y times y square, so y to the power of 3. Lastly, negative 4xy times positive z. Negative, positive, negative. 4 x times y times z. Okay? Okay, question 4. You have an expansion here. After that, you add this 12x squared. So do the expansion first. Multiply comes first. 8x times 3x, 24x squared. 8x times, why got x cubed? Then 8x times negative 4y. Positive, negative, negative. 8 times 4, 32. X, y. Okay? So the first step, we only do this expansion. After that, then we add whatever is behind. Because expansion is multiplication. Multiplication comes before addition. Okay? After that, when we add them together, 24x squared plus 12x squared, 36x squared, minus 32xy. Okay? Then I do D, you all do the rest. I'm almost finished. You are not done. You still have a way to go.
I'm almost there. Alright, I just finished. That, you know, the competition feels so good.
Okay? Pa D I do. We do the expansion first before the subtraction. So minus y times 7y. Negative, positive, negative. Negative but times positive again, negative. Okay? Then here, the expansion must come first, then I minus. So 2x times 7x, 14x squared. So I need to minus the 14x squared. 2x times negative 2y will be negative 4xy. But when I minus negative, that's why it became positive 4xy. So you can straight away minus times minus become plus. 2 times 2, 4. X times y, xy. After that, like terms put together. Like terms only negative 2xy and positive 4xy. So I can write it as Wait yet. Have you finished? Yeah. You don't know, you need to follow. Oh. Then why you stop and smile at don't know who? Focus on your work. Okay. Elijah, why you happily talking away? Hamburger. Okay, once you are done, go and sit down, try B and C on your own. Same, wait here, once you have finished, sit down, try B and C. Huh? If you don't want to do, you don't need to stay in the class. You can go to the red box. Huh? A.
Are you done?
Huh? Do part B and part C. Try on your own. Yes, what do you not know? No. Lucas, what is your question? Oh. Okay, try part B and part C. 4 marks, so you should be taking 6 minutes.
6, 7?
We will start at 12:38. Yes, you go and start on the next question if you are done.
1 o'clock have break. Have break 1 o'clock.
No. You ask Jaden lah, go and throw paper and shoot 3 now. Wrong. Why is this class?
Yeah!
Why until now you do make it easy?
Mr. Jack!
You will forever be young, like a baby. You will never learn from your mistake. Why are you still here? That is where always will have mistake.
What? Because there is frequent.
Okay, back to your seats. Quiet. Kelly, still talking. Almir, still talking. Jarius. Hey, you will notice that those of you who cannot stop talking one, you all are the one who didn't do so well. So exactly, this is what you are doing wrong. When you choose to talk when I'm talking, you are choosing to fail your WA. You are choosing to fail your exam. You pass already, you talk to others to make them fail. Very selfish. Still talking. Okay, just now as I walk around, there are at least 5 of you that made the same mistake, which I keep telling you. There is the mistake, but you still will make it. So please be extra careful with subtraction. coming before your expansion. This one easy. 5x times x, 5x squared. 5x times negative 6y, negative 30xy. Most will still get this first part, minus x times 9y. Negative, positive, negative. But the 5 or 6, all make the mistake here. Negative times positive, here should be negative. You are subtracting everything inside. You are not just subtracting the first 9y. You must also subtract this one. So, minus x squared. Again, this is where the mistake comes in. Here. Same. Like where I highlighted just now. Where? Same. It's always this minus of the second item that you all never change the sign. Okay? Same here. Here also need to change the sign. Minus will change this minus to plus. Minus will change this plus to minus. Okay? Then simplify. 5x squared minus x squared, 4x squared. Minus 30xy minus another 9 minus 39xy. Check your answer. Wait, do you get this? Okay? Amira, do you get this? Okay. Part C, actually more easy. Because this one is plus. But in your exam, this one will never be plus. It will always be minus. Okay? Minus 4y times 5y minus 20y squared. Okay, here. This one is where the trap is. Negative will change this minus to plus. Double check yours. Make sure you have a positive 32xy here. Yes, still talking. That's why you get the one wrong just now. Never pay attention. Okay? Make sure you get the positive 32xy because negative will change this negative to positive. Negative change this positive to negative. Double check this one. Then like terms add together. Y square and y square. Negative 20 plus 3. So I still have negative 17. Plus 32 plus another 30 all together plus 62. Why? Negative 4 times positive 5y. So negative 20y squared. Negative times negative become positive. 8 times 4, 32xy. Why? No. Snack break. Snack break. Don't need to move, right?
Snack break you need to move because there's 3 million man. No one likes 3 million man.
I like.
Of course you like all. We know.
Yeah. Eat. No.
What do you mean no?
I need my snack. This is my locker.
Go. Wait. 1 o'clock, right? 1:15. Okay, done. Okay, let us go to question 5. Elijah, sit down. Okay. What is happening here? Mia, what is happening here? What do you understand what is happening here? Where is the multiplication? Huh? Don't have? Jarius said the multiplication is in between the two brackets, which is correct. Okay? When we never put anything in between the bracket, it is actually a multiplication. So what this is telling us is actually, I have a bracket. This bracket is multiplying another bracket. So when we see this, we must think this. Although the sign is not there, but you must know, this is bracket times bracket. Okay? You don't know this, you will not be able to understand what we are doing already. So because this is a multiplication, what did I use to describe a multiplication? I use a area of a rectangle to describe multiplication. So, when I look at this bracket, multiply this bracket, can you see that this is like the length and the breadth? When I multiply together, I should be getting an area. Just like if I have 2 times 3, it is like 2 times 3. And then 2 times 3 gives me the area. But if you remember, I told you my 3 can be broken up into 2 and 1 also. Then I am still finding the area. Then my 2 need to multiply 2 and then I need to 2 multiply 1. Okay? So in this case, yes. Huh? I cannot hear you. Come closer. Huh? Take your lunch box. Take. Okay. Hello. So if we have a multiplication between the brackets, again, hey, Thaddeus, one more time you go out. So when we have these two brackets multiplied together, we can again see this as a area, a length multiply a breadth. So on my x is here, then I have another 8 here. So it is like my x plus another 8. This length. This length is x. This length is 8. Then on the other side, this length is x. This length is 2. Then I will have x plus 2. And this one is x plus 8 altogether. We have gone through this before. The last time I showed you this, I used a plus b. X plus y. Then we are multiplying all this together. Okay? How come everyone forget already? Okay? So when we are multiplying like that, I am finding the entire area when I'm multiplying. So this entire area can actually be made up by my x over here, multiply this x, that will give me this area. My 8 over here, multiply x, that will give me this area. Then, my x over here, multiply the 2, that will give me this area. My 8 over here, multiply this 2, that will give me this area. So all together, when I multiply this together, I should have these 4 parts added together. So how do I find all these 4 parts? This x is this x from here. This x is this x from here. So this area blue color one is actually my first x multiply this x, which will give me x squared. This piece over here is my first x multiply these 2, which is from here. So I have my first term multiply this second term. Your rainbow expansion that we have done before. Elijah, same. You don't want to listen, you can go out. Then my x8 over here will multiply this x to give me this piece. So my 8 over here multiply this x. And lastly, this small piece here is 8 multiply 2. 8 multiply 2. So when I multiply 2 brackets together, I don't need to always draw this out. I just need to know that I will always have first term multiply first term. First term multiply this second term. I will have the second term multiply this first term. And then second term multiply second term. Once I know this, I don't need this. This one is to help me see this. How I fit all the numbers. Then like terms put together. X squared don't have already. X I have 2 of 2 terms. 8 plus 2, 10. Then lastly my 16. Okay? So when I expand this out, I end up with this. Okay? We do one more together. Okay? Same I have bracket, multiply bracket. When I want to multiply this part D out, my first term will multiply first term. X multiply 11x, 11x squared. My first term will multiply second term. X multiply negative 6, negative 6x. My second term will multiply first term. Negative 5 times positive 11 will be negative 11 times 5, 55x. Then my second term will multiply second term.
Positive.
Negative, negative become positive. 5 times 6, 30. Then put the like terms together. Okay? Okay, try the rest. B, C, E, F, G, H. Yes, complete all question 5. Wow. Do what? Complete question 5 lor. All those not yet done one. B, C, E, F. Huh? Why? Why would you think I hate you? You do now, it will help you improve your math. Hurry! Don't give up. Try it now.
Mini molester. Papa Pig.
Wait, Joe. 2x times x is 2x squared.
2x squared. Question B, C. Why you want to set like this? I can crush you with one hand. What are you doing, Mariam? Why got 2x squared? So why is it? Then how do I minus 3x means I move 3 steps to the left. Then I move 9 steps to the right. Why you thinking about why are you thinking about multiplying? Minus 3x plus 9x. Minus 3 apple plus 9x. It is just plus. 9 times 3 is what? You don't know, you press calculator.
7 times 4. Dad, is it 27 times 4 equals 42? 42. That's smart, eh? It's 38.
7 times 2 is 21. It's 14.
That's smart, lah.
Hey, you all cannot do mental sum, go and press your calculator. Where's your calculator?
I'm going to study. Good boy.
Hey, go and pick up your calculator. Don't let them be stopping you from doing the question. You know there's a multiplication. Then press your calculator.
Albert and Einstein.
But how come your primary school never learn your timetable?
Albert and Einstein combined.
Okay, most of you should have finished part B. First term times first term. X times x, x squared. X times negative 3 minus 3x. Positive 9 times x, positive 9x. Positive 9 times negative 3. Multiplication. 9 times 3, positive times negative. Minus 27. If you cannot do the multiplication, go and press calculator. You must know it's a multiplication, then you go and press your calculator. After that, I have 4 terms, but 2 of them are counting number of x's. So I can put them together. Minus 3 plus 9. It's like walking 3 steps to the left, then walk 9 steps to the right. Or if you switch their place, 9x minus 3x. 9 apple take away 3 apple. 6 apple.
Wait, apple.
Hey, all these questions are the basic building blocks of harder questions. All of you must be able to do all this. Ari, what time do you sleep? Kelly, what time do you sleep?
3 a.m.
Around 6 or 7.
John can wait.
No. But E. Hey, as you do, you should know that it is all just multiply and addition, subtraction. Once you know which one multiply, which one plus which one, the harder things can be done with your calculator. So, no, not difficult one, all this. Yes. Where? Which question? Jairus, you done everything. Well done. Then Elijah not doing anything. Hey, do on your own and check. Not just copy my answer. Kelly also finish everything. Part G. Okay, part G. Part H. Positive times negative, negative. Negative times positive, negative. Negative times negative, positive.
6x squared minus 8x plus 62.
When you are asked to expand and simplify, this is the final answer. Don't go and do any factorization. Don't go and add bracket already. Okay, question I. We will normally put the x squared term followed by x followed by number, the one without x. Okay? So the convention is leave your answer x squared term first, followed by the x term, followed by the one without any x. Okay? You notice that I changed the order a bit. Huh? You can put 48 in front, but usually we want the expression to look like this. Convention. Because everyone write the same way, then next time you go to doing the next solving quadratic equation, you will also have this habit of putting it x squared x number. Just like we put A in front of B like that. Convention. If you put 48 in front, you are correct. Just that it is not the common way to write. Yes, you will be given your marks. Okay, when I put the 50 behind positive, No. Your snack break already what? No.
Sir, I need to unleash my beast, teacher. I need it here right now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
One at a time lah.
Sir, more question. Sir, not everyone. Sir, is there a break time, sir?
No.
Sir, I need to unleash my beast.
After we're done, sir, with this. After we're done.
Bro, I need my Sigma
Okay, check all your answer. Okay, those who are done, quickly go pee and come back. We'll start at 1:20.